Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about switch statement in JavaScript, part of web technologies course. The switch statement is a control flow statement in JavaScript that allows you to perform different actions based on multiple conditions. The basic syntax of the switch statement is as follows. The expression is an expression that is evaluated and compared to the value of each case. The code block following the matching case is executed. If the expression does not match any of the cases, the code block following the default keyword is executed. For example, the expression in the variable color and it's evaluated to red. The code block following the red case will be executed and the message, the color is red, is printed to the console. It is important to include the break statement after each case block so that the code execution doesn't fall through to the next case. The switch statement is useful when you have multiple conditions to check and is often more efficient and easier to read than a large number of if-else statements. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.